Consider the matrix A, which is upper triangular matrix, and all we know that diagonal elements of principal diagonal elements of a triangular matrix becomes eigenvalues. So eigenvalues of this matrix A will be 1, -1 and -1. This is a single eigenvalue, and this eigenvalue -1 is repeating 2 times. So algebraic multiplicity of 1 is 1 and algebraic multiplicity of -1 is 2, and sum of algebraic multiplicity will be 3. So option B is correct. The eigenvalues of A are either +1 or -1. These are only two eigenvalues. So option A is also correct. Sum of geometric multiplicity of 1. Sum of geometric multiplicity is 1. As we know that one eigenvalue is 1 and second eigenvalue is -1, but this is repeating 2 times. So geometric multiplicity of this eigenvalue either 1 or 1 or 2, and geometric multiplicity of 1 is 1. So sum of either 1 with 1 or 1 with 2 never be 1. So option C is discard. So correct key of this problem is A and B.